I'll guide you how to make money with AI videos. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, generate your AI video footage using any tool you prefer. In my case, I'm using 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, but you can use other platforms like Runway, 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, or Sora. Once your video is ready, download it to your device. Next, head over to wwith.io and log in using your Gmail account. After you're logged in, click the upload button and submit the AI video you just created. You'll then be asked to add a caption, relevant tags, and additional information like the category or description. This step helps make your video more discoverable across different platforms. Once everything is filled out, click submit. And just like that, your AI video will be available for licensing across major stock marketplaces. But don't stop there. The more people download your video, the more money you make. So make sure to promote your work on social media, content platforms, or your portfolio site. And that's it. A simple way to earn passive income using AI tools and wire stock.